friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will let you know my experience with tractor. It was my first experience. I never drive a tractor before, so let's see what will happen. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and please let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you like about my life or my experiences, or you want to know more about my career animation. Please let me know so that I can create videos for you that you like, not that I want to show you. Thank you people who have joined or who have subscribed to my channel. Thanks a lot. That motivates me a lot and that helps me to create more for you. Hey guys, one more thing. I have created a Instagram account for you so that you can directly contact me anytime you want. Feel free to follow me. Bye bye.